a Saturday night in the summer. Sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they rented Hummers. The party's on so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Ito kami ngayon dahil Valentine's Day. Paano dito? Kami ngayon guys sa Isle of Middelyan or Middelyan Isle. Yes, napakaganda dito guys. Sisend kami ng picture dito. Papakita kami ng picture, papakita namin sa inyo. Ang ganda dito guys. What's up lang? What's up? Isle of Middelyan. Rock and roll. Daming motorista dito guys. Puno kanina guys. Umuwi na lang yung pasok. Wait na sila. Yes, tingnan nyo guys. Wow. Iba na iwanan. Ito na sila.
One eternity later.
Ate lang ang camera. Ganito kaya. Guys, yung asawa ko, nalungkot siya kasi nakalimutan ko na yung bulaklak. Ito na yung bulaklak guys. Masag yun. Maraming tao dito guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ganito lang ha. Panda dito. Yes. Oh yeah. Sigahan na guys. What's up?